What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. The weather is beautiful outside today and I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. In today's video, we're actually going to go ahead and experiment. So let me show you guys what I'm talking about. So as many of you know, I actually have aluminum Alcoa wheels, and when I got these wheels, they were already in rough shape, but they're even rougher. As you guys can see, these wheels have a whole lot of brake dust buildup. I hope the camera can see that. It has a whole lot of brake dust buildup, and I've tried so many products to take that off. I've tried the Diablo wheel cleaner, I've tried wheel cleaner like the Maguire stuff. Nothing takes that brake buildup off, and I'm freaking tired of it. I was actually recommended one product by one of you guys in the comment section below, and we're gonna go ahead and try it out. So this right here is wheel acid. It is pretty much aluminum brighter, so it's aluminum acid. And this should take off anything on that wheel, literally anything. So we're gonna go ahead and give it a try. If you haven't already, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell notification, guys, so you guys know exactly when I post. We're on the road to 5,000 subscribers. Let's get it, and let's get this video started. Okay, so as you guys can see, this is probably going to be one of the worst wheels that I have. This thing is freaking caked in brake dust. As you guys can see, I've actually tried to clean it before. You can see where it's like scrubs. Oh look, that's coming off pretty easy, but this stuff right here, it's like baked on there. So it's definitely going to take a lot more work to get this brake dust off compared to this one. But we're going to go ahead and rinse it off. I am going to go ahead and wash the whole truck, but for the video's sake, I will focus on the wheels. We're going to be using this aluminum brighter, like I said. I actually got it at Napa for like 20 bucks, and I heard that it does miracles, so we're gonna go ahead and test it out. Guys, so as you guys can see, I rinsed that wheel down. Now we're going to go ahead and put some of the wheel acid on there. I found this bottle, the spray bottle. I'm gonna go ahead and put some in here just so to make the job easier. We got some of that wheel acid in here, and we're gonna go ahead and start spraying it on the wheel and see what happens. You guys can see, I went ahead and scrubbed it all the way down. I put some wheel acid on there, scrubbed it down, put some more on there. I'm gonna let it soak for about 10 minutes and see what happens. In those 10 minutes, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and rinse off the whole truck and try to get it ready for some soap and water. We're gonna get her shiny, guys. She hasn't been cleaned in a minute, but she will be. Let me know what you guys think about these new truck videos that I've been dropping for you guys. I hope you really enjoy them. If you haven't already, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell notification, guys, so you guys know exactly when I post. Let's get it, and let's get to washing this truck. This is actually after a couple scrubs, maybe 2 or 3 scrubs that I've been scrubbing it with a brush, and it actually cleans up very, very well. The only thing I can't get to right now is this grime right here in the middle, because it's such a tight spot and my brush doesn't fit. So I'm gonna figure out if I can get like a toothbrush or like something smaller brush to fit in there. Try to get that out. Give it a couple more sessions. And it's cleaning up very, very well, actually, compared to what it used to be. I'm very, very impressed with this product right here. And I'm not, guys, I am not sponsored. I wouldn't be talking so good about it if it wasn't actually working. So I would definitely try it out. Sprayed this about 4 times and scrubbed it off about 4 times, and this is looking excellent, bro. Whatever they put in this aluminum brighter is freaking amazing. This is gonna take all your brake dust that's baked on the wheel off. It's kind of crazy how it works, honestly. But as you guys can see, all that brake dust that was baked on there came off. The only thing that I'm still working on is the inside right here. As you guys can see, it still has some in there, but I need to get like a smaller brush to get in there and rub that off, but we should be good. I'm really impressed on how well that product performed on these wheels. All right, now we got to go ahead and do the rest of these. I already did the front one, I did this one. Now we're gonna go ahead and do the driver's side. So we actually just finished washing up this truck. It actually washed up pretty well. This is the first time in a long time that I cleaned those wheels, and they actually clean up very well. As you guys seen in the previous clips, the acid did work very good. I would definitely recommend it. I really hope this helps you guys out, because it was something that was bothering me for a long time, and I tried so many products that didn't work. I finally found one that did work. So this is honestly going to be probably the best product that you can use. Right now we're going to go ahead and go take some shots of the truck, show you guys what's up. Trying to play with us, guys. We're gonna play with them back. They're trying to waste my time, I'm gonna waste their time.
Thank you so much for staying the line. This is Michael. I'm calling you from Senior Benefits. How you doing?
I'm doing well. Thank you, Michael. I'm actually at the drive-thru. Can you give me just a minute?
Sure.
Hello?
Take your time.
Hello?
Yes, I can hear you.
Give me a second, Michael. Give me a second. I'm ordering some food, but they haven't said anything.
I believe you one second.
Sure.
What are you gonna want, son?
Can I please have 2 McChickens and a small caramel frappe? Plain McChickens, plain.
Can I get 2 plain McChickens and a caramel frappe?
I'll be with you in 1 second.
I'm here, Michael. I'm sorry. I'm ordering some food.
No problem. Are you in a McDonald's or Starbucks?
I'm at a McDonald's, yes.
Do you order caramel chocolate or what?
I'm sorry. I'm very confused. I thought this was about the cremation. I'm getting older, and I'm thinking about what I'm gonna do after I die.
Can you just something? If you don't mind, tell me one thing, ma'am. How old are you? What is your age?
I'm 62.
62?
Yes.
And what is your date of birth?
Well, I'm trying to figure out what this exactly is about. You're asking me a lot of questions, but I'm trying to figure out what this is about, because I'm a little confused.
Alright, sure. So moving back, let me explain first, ma'am. The reason we are calling you today is in reference to apply financial planning, and we want you to update you regarding brand new state approval cars final expense whole life insurance plan that have just been
yeah, I'm ready to order. Alright guys, so I didn't get to film an outro, but this is actually where I'm at in today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you haven't already, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell notification, guys, so you guys know exactly when I post. Let's get it, and I'll see you guys in the next video.